back to the channel. I'm blessed you're able to join us here for this video. Okay, so what you've just watched me do is you've watched me dump the 12-pound tumbler out. I've put it on a burnish load for most of the afternoon, which you don't have to do because this is just 60-90 grit, and you don't necessarily have to do it with that, but I find that it helps me to see the stones better, to see what I'm looking at, and to identify the ones that I want to move forward. These ones are the ones that are going to be moving forward. This barrel is already loaded with the stones that are going back through the 60-90 grit. Unfortunately for the first part of the video, which we'll be playing a little bit of that in the bloopers, I didn't have my microphone on, so there's no sound. But that's cool. So what I've done is, the news for the video is I've gone ahead today, I've ordered a 5-pound vibratory tumbler from Harbor Freight. I read a lot of reviews. There's so many reviews that you just can't read them all. But a lot of positive reviews, and I read enough positive reviews that I was comfortable in buying it. So when I get that here, we'll go through the unboxing of it. If there's any assembly, we'll take care of showing you that. And after I've ran it for a little while, we'll go ahead and do our own review on this channel. And from everything that I've read, it'll be a positive review. So we're going to move forward with the video. I've gone ahead already and I've recorded myself going through some of the choice stones which aren't out. They were out for the first portion of this video, but you can't hear me talking. So we'll move right along. Okay, so now that you've seen me go through the choice stones, we'll go ahead, we'll put all these in just in one of these little holding buckets, strainers I guess. We'll go ahead and put one of those aside with these stones in it, waiting for the vibratory tumbler. I'm pretty excited about that. We'll get this rolling again. This is almost full. I've got some red adventuring I'm going to add in and some other small stuff. I'm going to try to keep this load relatively small because I want to move all of the stones back to using. I was just using this for 120 and then washing it out good and then pre-polish and polish. I want to move back to doing that, especially once we get the vibratory tumbler. If you followed along to the end, I do appreciate that. If you haven't subscribed yet, it'd be really nice if you did. It helps the channel out and helps my family out. If you're following us over on Rumble, I think it's just you hit the follow button, and then if you have any questions about any of the things that I've done on the video, if you want to ask me why I didn't turn my microphone on, that's cool, and I'll try to give you a good answer. But I guess just leave me a comment below if you have any questions, and until we see each other again, everybody out there, stay blessed.